Today we're learning the rain dance because you guys requested it. Before we get into section number 1, I want to give a shout out to this person right here for sending me a super thanks on my last video. I appreciate that so much, y'all. Alright, let's get into section number 1. I'm going to mirror this video. My left is your left and my right is your. You got it, alright? Now, I'm going to break this up into 4 easy sections and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. So, the first thing you're going to do in section 1, you're going to stand facing your left. You're going to use your right hand first. You're going to bend and lean back like this. 1, 2. And then after that, I'm going to cross my hands to go 3, 4. Okay? Now, I'm not perfectly to the side. I'm on an angle so you can see my body here. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From here now, I'm going to step out with my hands. There's 2 rhythms that I see people do. I see people doing this with their hands. Ta, 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 or just ta, 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 ta. I'm gonna go tap, 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 okay? As I do that, I'm gonna step with the left leg first. I'm gonna go step, step, and I'm gonna come around with the right, step, step, pointing to my ring finger, okay? One more time. Step from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, step 7, 8. Yes? And if you notice, it feels like your body's going around and around. Yes? It's almost like you're connecting it together. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay? Now that's section 1. Moving on to section 2. You're going to take your hands, they're going to go right, left, then you're going to open up, boom. Yes, it goes ha, and out, okay? Boom, boom, out. 7, 8, boom, boom, out. 7, 8, 1 and 2. 7, 8, 1 and 2. Then from here, my body's going to go like this to lean to my left first. I'm going to go 3 and 4. With the feet now, I'm going to have this rhythm here. 3 and 4 and. Okay, what is that rhythm? When I step onto this left leg, I kind of hop onto it. Hop, tap, and then I hop onto the right leg, hop, tap. So let's just try that hop, tap there. It goes hop, tap, 7, 8. Hop, tap, 7, 8. Hop, tap, 7, 8. I think you got the point. All right, so it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, one more time. We said 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now my left leg is slightly in front, so now I'm going to finish off this count here. After 4 and, I'm going to jump forward on this left leg, 5, and hitting my elbow towards you. 4 and, jump onto the left leg, push off that right. 5, turn, 6, 7, 8. So I'm hitting my left elbow towards you, jumping on that left leg, and now my body here is opened up to my right. I'm going to continue moving towards my right to step down on the right leg, step with the left leg to help me turn, and I'm facing the front when I step with that right leg. Okay? So, section 2 one more time. We're going right, left, out, and step, tap, step, tap, hop, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do that again a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. We said 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put section 1 and 2 together. Here we go, nice and slow. Section 1, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on to section number 3. You're going to take your hand, left hand first, you're going to curl across your body. Just do the groove with me first before we add the legs. You're going to go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your left hand up towards that right shoulder. Drag it across your chest. Body roll. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4. Now the groove here is like a chug. So I'm gonna go up here, prepping. Every time my chest is up, my leg is extended. When I bring my chest in, my knee comes up. So it's gonna go like this. And 1, 2. Then I'm gonna kick this leg out, kick to prep, and pushing out my chest, same thing. 3, 4. Again, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. All right. Now to finish off that section here for section 3, after we do our groove here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to tap my feet, but I'm just going to give you the groove first. The groove's going to go like this, falling with my right shoulder. I'm going to go right, left, make a house, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Get those arms one more time. So we start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the feet now, same little taps. These are my taps here, okay? So I'm going to tap with this left leg first. Tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right, tap left, and the last one. Okay, so I'm going to go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Yes, yes, yes. One more time. That's going to be the end of that section there, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Tap 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good. All right. Now moving on to the last section. Okay. From here, after we finish that tap, and I'm going to take my right leg as I push down to my left leg and step. Okay. So it's going to go from here and step. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Put all the weight onto the right leg. Step back left, right, left, and 1, 2, boom, stop. So it's going to go like this. So land on the 1, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it right there, all right? And then to finish off the dance, I just do a little shimmy, 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 hey. And that's for you to just have fun with at the end there, okay? And that's section 4. Let's do section 4 one more time just to make sure you have it. So we connected it from here. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake, 2, 3, 4. All right. If you notice my hands here, when I'm rocking with that last part on section 4 here, when I come forward, my hands kind of follow. Right hand follows the right leg, and left hand is doing the opposition. So I'm going and 1. Notice how my left hand's up now, right hand's going down with the right leg. Okay, so I'm going 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, stylistically, I saw some people going like this. 1, 2, kick it off. 1, 2, kick it off. Yes, or I saw people just chilling like how I taught you just now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's connect everything from the very top, nice and slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and section 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shake. 1, 2, 3. All right. So let's try it straight through now. No stopping. Here we go. From the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2. Go 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now try it with the music. Just click right over here, or YouTube might think you like this video next. All right. Thank you guys for being here. I love when you send your requests for tutorials. Keep them coming. I'm gonna keep making these. All right. Thank you so much. Peace out until next time.